Hi, this is Lena Shea and Iowa Mom. And you know that problem where you have the outer crust of the pie gets brown faster than the inner crust? Well, the traditional way of handling that is to take small pieces of foil and put them around the edge and kind of form them. But that's so awkward. Instead, I found a new way that works super good. It's quick and easy. Pull out a sheet of foil. I'm going to put my pie pan upside down on this foil, and I'm going to allow a little bit of margin there. Use a Sharpie to trace around it. And then I want to make an inner circle. And I'm just using a little plate that's about the right size. And putting that in the center. Where the foil is way too big, we're just going to mark that margin where it should be by folding it. I do it on each of those two sides. Turn it over, fold it in half, and you can see where marking this margin here is helpful. I just put this margin against that one and crease it. Now we're going to fold in half again, margins together. I don't have to cut right on that inner circle. I could make it a little bit bigger if I want. We do want that ring to be bigger than the pie pan, so we're going to cut on that margin area and make it just a little bit bigger than that circle. Now folding it does two things. One, it makes the foil rigid so it's easy to cut, and you only have to cut it a fourth as far when you cut it this way. Okay, now we open it up and we have a shield ready to go. Now, isn't that better than this? This is Lena Shea and Iowa Mom. Thanks for watching. On YouTube.com and Iowa Mom videos, select the video tab to find a whole list of helpful videos.